Okay, so you want to start by opening up the spring. Just get a pair of long nose pliers and prise it open as best as you can. Be careful not to injure yourself. Okay, coming down onto the press then. You start by winding it, or sort of threading it onto the top hook, and just drop that on. So just make sure that you put the part that you've not prized open onto the top hook, and that should then make it easier for you to thread the bottom part onto the bolt. Use my pliers again. And then it's just a case of trying to close it back up as best you can